Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable pop-ups in the Google Chrome web browser, or alternatively, if you want to disable the pop-up blocker and allow pop-ups and redirects in the Chrome browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Chrome web browser and select the three-dotted icon up in the top right corner. Just go ahead and left-click on that and go down and select Settings. On the left side, you want to select where it says Privacy and Security. On the right side, you want to scroll down. Underneath Content, select Pop-ups and Redirects. So if you want to allow websites to send pop-ups and use redirects, you can select that option. Alternatively, you can just select Don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. Generally, it's more secure to have the second option here enabled, which should be enabled by default. You are allowed to add exemptions here underneath customized behaviors. So if you want to allow certain websites to send pop-ups and use redirects, you can select the Add button here and then type in the domain and then select Add, and that would allow an exemption in here. So a pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.